a world where dragons were thought to exist only in legends and stories. There was a brave adventurer named Elara. Elara had always been fascinated by tales of dragons, and she had dedicated her life to exploring uncharted lands in search of these mythical creatures. One sunny morning, as she was poring over ancient maps in her cozy cottage, Elara stumbled upon a mysterious island marked with the words Dragon's Isle. Her heart raced with excitement as she realized that this could be the clue she had been searching for all her life. With a determined spirit, she packed her belongings, kissed her family goodbye, and set off on her most perilous journey yet. Days turned into weeks as Elara sailed across treacherous waters, guided only by the fading ink on her maps. Finally, one misty morning, the silhouette of an island emerged on the horizon. As she approached, her heart skipped a beat. This was it, the Dragon's Isle. The island was a lush paradise with dense forests, cascading waterfalls, and colorful exotic flowers. But Elara knew that beauty could be deceiving. She tread carefully, watching for any sign of danger. As she ventured deeper into the island, the air grew warmer and strange sounds filled her ears. Then she heard it, a mighty roar that sent shivers down her spine. She followed the sound, her heart pounding in anticipation. And there, beneath a towering waterfall, she saw it, a magnificent dragon, its emerald green scales glistening in the sunlight. Its wings were spread wide, and it seemed to be basking in the refreshing mist. Disturbed the creature, she had discovered a dragon, not a fire-breathing menace, but a majestic and peaceful guardian of the island. The dragon turned its wise, ancient eyes toward Elara, and she felt an inexplicable connection, as though they shared a deep understanding. Over the days that followed, Elara and the dragon formed an unlikely bond. She learned that the dragon's name was Drakkar and that it had been the guardian of the Dragon's Isle for centuries. Drakkar shared stories of the island's history, its unique flora and fauna, and the magic that flowed through its very veins. Elara couldn't believe her luck. She had not only found a dragon, but a friend. She decided to keep the existence of the Dragon's Isle a secret to protect Drakkar and its sanctuary from those who might exploit its magic. Years passed, and Elara continued to visit the Dragon's Isle, always sharing her adventures and stories with Drakkar. She became known as the dragon's friend in her